In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust timeline resolution in DaVinci Resolve 20, both for your entire project and for a single timeline. This is really useful if you want to work in HD, Ultra HD, or set a custom resolution for a specific export, social media format, or editing workflow. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve 20 and look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see the project settings icon there. Click that icon to open your project settings. This is where Resolve lets you control all of the main project-wide settings, including resolution, frame rate, and other important timeline options. Once the project settings window opens, make sure Master Settings is selected in the left panel. This is the section where the main format controls are located, so if you're in another tab, just click Master Settings to get to the right place. Now, scroll or look toward the top of the settings window until you find the Timeline Format section. This is the area that controls your sequence dimensions. Inside that section, locate the Timeline Resolution dropdown. Click it to see the available preset options. You'll usually see common presets like HD and Ultra HD. If one of those fits your project, simply select it and continue. This is the fastest way to set a standard resolution for your timeline. But if you need something more specific, you can also create a custom size. To do that, open the Timeline Resolution drop-down again and choose Custom. Once you select Custom, you'll be able to enter your own width and height values. This is perfect if you're creating content for platforms with unusual dimensions like vertical videos, square videos, or custom export requirements. After entering the width and height you want, take a moment to double-check the values so everything matches your intended format. When you're happy with the resolution, click Save to apply the changes to the project. At this point, your project timeline settings will be updated according to the resolution you selected. Now, if you only want to change the resolution for one specific timeline instead of the whole project, there's another method you can use. First, go to the Edit page in DaVinci Resolve. This is where you'll manage your timelines and make timeline-specific adjustments. Next, right-click the timeline you want to modify in the Media pool. From the menu that appears, select Timelines and then choose Timeline Settings. This opens the settings for that individual timeline only, which gives you more control without affecting the entire project. Inside the Timeline Settings window, find the option at the top that says Use Project Settings. Uncheck that box. This is an important step because it allows you to manually override the project settings for this one timeline. Once that's unchecked, you can adjust the timeline resolution just like before. Choose the resolution you need, whether that's a preset or a custom size, depending on your editing goal. After making the change, click OK to confirm and apply the new settings. And that's it. You now know how to adjust timeline resolution in DaVinci Resolve 20 for both your full project and individual timelines. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.